In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply the Western text effect in your design. To get started, open your design if you already have one ready. If not, go ahead and create a new design so you have a fresh canvas to work with. This gives you a place to test the effect and see how it changes the overall style of your text. If you're creating something like a poster, social media graphic, or title card, this effect can add a bold, rustic look very quickly. Once your design is open, select the text you want to edit. Make sure you click directly on the text box so the text settings appear. If you haven't added any text yet, you'll need to insert some first before continuing. It also helps to choose a word or phrase that will clearly show off the style, since decorative effects are usually easier to notice on larger text. After selecting your text, click on Effects. This is where you'll find different text styling options that can completely change the appearance of your lettering without needing to manually edit each character. The Effects panel is especially useful when you want a professional-looking result in just a few clicks. When the Effects menu opens, scroll down until you reach the Advanced section. Take your time here because depending on the platform or screen size, you may need to move through a few options before you see it. The Advanced section includes more stylized presets and creative looks that go beyond basic text adjustments. Once you're in Advanced, select Western. As soon as you click it, the effect will be applied to your selected text. You should immediately see the text take on a Western-inspired appearance, giving it a classic, decorative style that works well for theme designs, event graphics, or anything that needs a more vintage feel. If the look feels too subtle or too strong, you can take a moment to view it in the context of your full design. Sometimes changing the text size or positioning can help the effect stand out better, even without changing anything else. The key is to make sure the style supports the message of your design and remains easy to read. And that's it. You've successfully applied the Western effect to your text. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.